So folks, one of the pests that certainly arrive in our gardens in summer are beautiful snails. Now, some of us really love them, some of us love to hate them. The problem is that snails cause major destruction in our gardens. So how can we make sure that we're going to protect our plants, especially those that are in raised containers or in pots or even in a little mini greenhouse? Then this is the solution, and you don't have to put down any snail bait at all. And it's called this barrier tape. It really is amazing. So have a look at it. It looks just like any normal tape. However, it's got like a special secret weapon. So this is a copper-based tape. So all we do is we measure it over there, and it doesn't look half bad either. And we cut it off. There we go. And all we do is we put this copper band around our pots, or as I say, around your raised garden bed. And because this is copper, snails hate copper, guys. They truly, truly do. And when they go over the copper, it almost creates a little electric shock, enough to deter the snail. So if your little friendly snail will come up here, he'll hit this, he'll say, I ain't going any further than this. He'll turn around and he'll take the high road and go somewhere else. Another thing that deters snails really, really well, if around this pot, if you had to take eggshells, and if you took the eggshells, dry them out in the oven a bit, all right? Because then they become really nice and brittle. Put the eggshells around your pots or around those leafy veg or your agapanthus or clivias or anything where you know the snails are going to hang out. Put that around, and the snails cannot climb over the eggshells. They simply hate it. It's like a cat on a hot tin roof. So there you have it. 2 good ways to get rid of snails, which is really not going to harm the environment, your pets, and yourself.